Hi, I'm Sharish.
I'm Siddharth,
I'm Anish,
and this is Maya.
an AI browser built for students.
Students today are stretched thin. During peak season, the average student spends 2 hours every day just applying to internships. And despite that effort, 59% of college students graduate without ever having one. And it doesn't stop there. In the classroom, students are missing 40% of key lecture content. Not because they're not trying, but because there's simply too much to keep up with. AI has already proven it can improve academic outcomes. The question is, why hasn't anyone put it to work for the student?
Maya is an agentic browser that runs on an Electron and React desktop app. IBM Watson X Orchestrate routes every request to the right engine, career, academic, or notes. Each engine is driven by IBM's Granite 3.3 model, which automates tasks on the embedded browser. Lecture recordings are transcribed via DeepGram API, vectorized, and surfaced through RAG, generating flashcards, quizzes, and notes automatically. Your resume is parsed, matched to listings, and used to apply autonomously through the browser.
Once opening the application, you can navigate to your profile to update any information and head over to the course tracker dashboard to track your academic progress. Ooh, just got back from the gym. I can go back to the careers profile and see that I've applied to the internship. I can say that I got the OA, and I can check my tailored resume.
Hello class, this is CSE 3244, and today we're talking about data management in the cloud. Think of data management in the cloud as storing, organizing, protecting, and using data.
Alright, I just got done with class and I got my notes all organized from the lecture, and I can view the raw transcript from the professor and ask questions on the side with the assistant.
We also built a study mode on Maya to provide a cohesive environment for students to be able to practice any course and progress along their education journey. So we can go ahead and hit study, and let's say I have an exam coming up for CSE 3244. And what Maya will do is actually log into my Carbon Canvas and my learning management system, and actually scrape a lot of the content that I might be tested on in this upcoming midterm and prepare that for me in an interactive way through interactive quizzes, flashcards, a study guide, just to help me hone in on my practicing as opposed to just looking at lecture slides or just looking at my past notes. And it looks like Maya has found our lecture slides folder. And what Maya is doing right now is actually downloading each of these files, chunking the content, and vectorizing them so we can perform RAG retrieval-based search to answer any of my queries, as well as to explain the concepts to me, as well as generate quizzes and flashcards as such. And it looks like Maya has populated our study mode with some flashcards, some of our past lecture notes and materials from lectures from this class actually, some study resources and a study plan. So let's click some of our past lectures that we attended for this, and let's choose to take a quiz, which will be on not only that lecture, but also all of the course content that Maya has just reviewed just now. And we didn't do too good. We got a 2 out of 5, so we can go back, and Maya saves our quiz score here, so we can always track our progress. And Maya also generates some flashcards for us from our lectures, as well as just the course content in general, so we can go through and flip through. And we also have some study resources as well as a study plan. Study plan you can go through as a user and check off items that you have completed. And a lot of study resources at OSU are available, as well as a lot of the IBM skills build courses that we were exploring as well, that we thought could be useful to students here. So we can go ahead and click one of those, and it opens up in our browser. In Maya opens it up for us, and students are able to peruse and progress through these courses to enhance their journeys in technology or any course offering from IBM skills build. Next, we plan to allow multi-agent workflows that run simultaneously, so multiple tasks get handled in parallel instead of one at a time. We also plan on integrating Gmail and Google Calendar to make the experience truly seamless. To keep students in control on the go, we aim to launch an iOS app with the voice-first interface, so managing your agents is as easy as saying the word. With Maya, we hope to transform wasted effort into structured growth, turning a student's browser into an ecosystem for success. Thank you.